We are at the Elysium Hotel, Paphos Cyprus, and this is a room tour of a sea view deluxe apartment. So as we walk in, it's the standard type of layout. You've got the wardrobes here, which is pretty cool. It's the usual type of thing you would find in these high-end luxury hotels. We've got a safe, some extra room there. Let's push that back again, which is cool. Then we've got the bathroom. It's a lovely, lovely place though. Look, here we go. Oh, I'm in the picture. Bidet, bathroom. It's not huge, but it's definitely sufficient. Let's put it that way. So look, plenty of towels, robes. Again, it's a 5-star hotel. It's a luxury end hotel. It's pretty reasonable. If you follow us, you will find out prices in other videos. But as you can see, beautiful place. Let's go have a look at the bedroom area. We've got a little lovely desk there if you need to get the laptop out and work for any reason at all. But why would you work when you're on holiday? I'm laughing because I probably do. We've got a TV, pretty big TV, wardrobes. Not wardrobes, sorry. Drawers, chest of drawers. Got a wonderful king-size bed. I don't know if you can see it from where I am. It's beautiful, look. It's got lovely artwork on the walls. We've got a vaulted ceiling, which is beautiful. Look at that, it's pretty high as well. We've got probably ceilings of, I reckon 12 foot. So 3 meters maybe, roughly, that way. And then the creme de la creme is outside. We have a sea view. Here we go. Oh, watch that. It's here somewhere. Beautiful. That's the main pool. In the background there is the Tomb of the Kings, which is a UNICEF site. You can probably just see it. But look at that. Stunning. What a beautiful place. The Elysium Hotel in Paphos, Cyprus.